everyone. I'm teacher Sarah. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to print the letter C and also make a sound the letter. Before we start the class, you want to sing along with me? Okay, let's start it. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, good. Do you enjoy the song? Yes, good. Okay. Today I want to teach you and let's learn about the letter C. Okay. Now you are going to learn how to print the uppercase C and the lowercase c. Okay. And after that, you're also going to learn about the sounds of the letter C. Now, we are going first how to print the letter C. It is uppercase C. Now, this is the line that we can make or print the uppercase C first. You just put the lower line and you can go to curve. See? This is uppercase C. Okay. The uppercase C is bigger than lowercase c. Now we are going to print lowercase c. We must use the middle of the line to make the lowercase c. See? This is lowercase c. Okay. The lowercase c is same the uppercase C, but the size is different than uppercase C. The lowercase c is smaller than uppercase C. Okay, now Do you see what is this? Okay, now I want to teach you how to make a sound of C. K. K. Can you repeat the sound? Good. K. K. For car. K. For car. Okay, now we are going to move. K. Car. This is car. Okay, now this is k, cow. Say it again. K, cow. Good. This is cloud. K, cloud. Very good. And this is cactus. K, cactus. K, cactus. Okay, now this is k, crayons. K, crayons. Okay. Now, if you don't have a paper or pencil, you can use your magic finger to write down in the paper like this. C, C, K, C, K. Okay, now we are going to another letter. This is F. F. The sound of F is F. F. Can you repeat again? F. Yes, good. Sounds like F. F. Okay, this is fork. Fork. F. 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 Okay. How to write down the capital letter of F? We use two lines, 1 and 2 lines, to make a uppercase F. Write down and F must have 2 lines. This is uppercase F. And now we are going to print the lowercase f. C, F, F, F. Can you make the sound? F, F, F. Good. This is lowercase f. This is uppercase F. Okay, what is object of the capital letters of this alphabet? What is the object that you know this alphabet? I have this one. Okay, I have this one. This is frame. 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 And also I have a fish. 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 Can you make a sound again? Good. This is finger. 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 And last is, this is a flower. 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 Okay. That's good. You can make beautiful sounds and good sounds of the letters. Okay. See you next time. Bye.